Alright, John, what are we going to do today?
I have a coin. It's a gold bullion coin, 1 ounce. And currently, the person I bought it from was just curious because she said it weighs more than a troy ounce. And how can that be? And so I had a theory, perhaps there is a troy ounce worth of gold in the thing, and the reason it weighs more than that is because they did carat it down. So there's a troy ounce, but the overall weight is more. Does that make sense?
Makes sense.
So I'm going to test this right now just to see if it is at least 22 karat gold. This is aqua regia, I believe, in different...
Which is hydrochloric acid with
and
hydrofluoric.
I think it's nitric acid.
Isn't it hydrofluoric acid? No, it's nitric.
I don't know. I think it's nitric. So I'm pretty sure that's what these acids are. They don't say, but they're formulated so that each label, like the 18 karat, will melt anything that it will dissolve anything that is not 18 karat or above. Anything of more than or equal to, it will not melt. It will dissolve anything on the scratch test that is not 18, less than 18, right? So I'm going to do a test. I have a little wand that's this is known on the tip. This is known to be 18 karat. That's a verified 18 karat. This is our control.
Okay.
And then now I have this coin, which we believe it's labeled as fine gold, 1 ounce fine gold.
And fine means?
It should mean 24 karat. Okay, there we go. We've marked it.
Okay.
We can see.
A, B.
Yeah, we can see it left some gold on there. I want to try to make a lot. I want to get the best marking I can get. There we go. We've ground them off. You can see we kind of ground it off a little bit. You can at least see that we actually did take some gold off. All right, now the highest I have, acid can measure 22 karat, and anything that's equal to or greater than, it will not dissolve. Anything less than 22 karat, it should dissolve. And so I'll put a little drop on. This is 18 for sure, so it's not 22. It's less than, so it's going to dissolve away underneath that drop. And we're going to do that here. And let's just see what it does. You can kind of see how it has dissolved it away. See how the scratches underneath that drop are gone? The 18 karat drop. I'll put it far enough away that it doesn't actually wick in with the 22 karat. Sometimes it likes to accidentally touch and join, and then you're fucked. There you go.
All right, so I would definitely say that the bullion coin we were testing was less affected by the acids than the other stuff.
I would agree with that. I would definitely agree with it. This should weigh 31.1 grams if it were a true troy ounce, 31.1. And Dina says it weighed 34.9 or something like that. I think what it is it contains within it 1 ounce of true gold, but it is coin metal, so they must have alloyed it in some way.
So, my good friend, we just did a little bit of arithmetic here, and when you take 33.95 grams of 22 karat gold, and you multiply it times the percent of gold that 22 karat is, you wind up with 31.1
something.
Something, which is what you expect. So
it
there
should be 31.1 grams if it has a troy ounce in it. If it has a troy ounce in it.
It has troy ounce in it. So, and the dimensions are right? This looks dimensionally right?
Yeah.
So this is probably not lead.
No, it's not lead. It's not tungsten. Yeah. And we'll find that out when we start rolling it, because if it's tungsten, it's not going to roll. It's not going to roll out.
Way too hard?
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, and tungsten is apparently the right density and the right weight. Sometimes gold bars and gold things, they have a core, a lot like those chocolate candies that are wrapped in the tin foil that look like coins. They do that to gold.
What are we doing now, Jewler John?
Since this has been a strucken coin, we need to anneal it. Right now it's work hardened, and we need it to be dead soft so that I can put it through my rolling mill.
What happens if you put hardened gold in your...
If you put a hardened metal through your rolling mill, it's possible to actually impress upon it that image, a partial image on the pins of the rolling mill, and then everything after that you'll kind of impart a ghost image, which you don't want to do. So I can see I'm getting it kind of gold, I'm getting it red. It's not oxidizing dramatically, so that tells me it's more pure. There is a point when if there's metal in it that isn't gold, it will oxidize, because usually it's copper, but it hasn't oxidized dramatically, so I'm going to say that is another sign that it's pretty pure. Whoa. Okay, so now I'm going to quench it. Here we go in this water. And there it is. There it is. Now it should be a little bit warm, but not too hot.
Haste makes
waste. Yes, there we go.
Right, removing a fuck up.
Yeah, there was a piece of solder on my charcoal block that I didn't mean to include in our coin when I annealed it. Can't go any further now. Okay. And then there we go. And then now you can see it's like a little bit more, and then we'll do it again. Good spot. Good way. There you go. And you always want to try to put it through the same way always. You don't want to crisscross, because then you're asking the grains to go the wrong way, and you can stress them out, and then you'll get a crack. We don't want cracks. And being pure gold, we almost don't have to anneal it, but that's just not true because it's not pure gold. It's beautiful.
All right, can I play?
Yep. There we go.
Look at that, dude. Red hot gold.
Yeah, and it's cold to the touch in seconds. Iron is different. Iron would stay hot for a while. Gold is like red hot, and then a second later it's not. Okay, let's see what gauge it is. It's all right, finer than 30 gauge. I can't go any finer than that. And 30 gauge is 0.01 inch. 0.01 inch. So that's a hundredth of an inch. Is that right?
Yes.
5.4.
So you want 16.965.
Okay, here we go.
16.965.
Okay, that's okay.
Oh, too much. Give that much. Oh. There it is. There it is. That removing that was it.
9.7. She's fine.
Yep.
We'll give her 9.7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
And you want to give it quite a lot this time. Quite a lot.
Like that?
A little bit more. And then oxygen. And keep it real bushy. No,
bushy?
less yellow, less orange, so more oxygen. Less, yeah, right around there. There you go. Look, it melt like ice. 22 karat gold is going to melt at 1,790 degrees Fahrenheit. When it will roll, so be careful. All right, now you can kill it. There you go.
That is one of the most amazing things I've fucking ever seen. That is consarned amazing.
Let's just see. There we go. That's nice.